Hello everyone, in this video we learn how to use Subscript and Superscript in Google Docs with two methods. First with Format tab, second with Shortcut. In first method, for example, we have a 2+2 or any letter or any word you want. For example, the number 2 in left I want become Subscript. First select that word, on the top click on Format, from text choose Subscript. As you see, this word become Subscript, and I want the number 2 in right become Superscript. I select again, on top click on Format, from text choose Superscript. As you see, we use with Format tab. In second method, we use Shortcut. For Subscript in Windows, Ctrl plus comma. For Superscript in Windows, Ctrl plus dot. In Mac, you use Command plus comma, Command plus dot. For example, for this number, I want Ctrl plus comma for Subscript, and this number Ctrl plus dot for Superscript. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.